Hi all, welcome to Die.3D Tech YouTube channel. In this today's video, we'll see unboxing of this electric glider plane, which I got it from a local store. Let's see what and all is there in this kit, and we'll assemble that and we'll see how it will fly. Okay, so let's see what is there in this box. So this I got it from a local store called flyingmachines.in. So I will leave you the link in description. If you are interested, you can buy. Let's see what is there in this kit. So this will come like a kit, so we need to assemble. So like this. So you can see here what is there. So this is the USB cable for charging, and this is the prop guard. So and this is the main wing, and this main wing will come with a pre-cuts. I think mostly this is for kind of like a aileron. Okay, so both sides we have. Let's see while flying, let's see how it will work for us. Okay, so these are pre-cuts. So using a blade we can cut it, and we can adjust the control surfaces so that maybe we'll get a proper rolls while flying. Okay, so this is the main wing, and so this is a single wing plane, and you can see the main wing, and this is the horizontal stabilizer. Okay, and you can see here this is the fuselage, and if you see this fuselage, see the motor is mounted. This have inbuilt battery, and additionally they have given this LED strip. So like you can see LED strips which will light up, and here you can see even here also you can see some cuts for rudder. Okay, so we can give a rudder movement also. So first I will try to fly default without doing any cuts. Let's see how it will improve the flying performance after using these cuts and by adjusting the control surfaces. So this is the one. So assembly is very simple. So the main wing we need to insert here. Okay, and horizontal stabilizer we need to insert here. So this prop guard we need to place it here. That's it, it's ready. And you can see here this is the power button. So yeah, just you can press this. See, this have LEDs, and it will stop at 15 seconds. It is programmed like that. See, it will stop at 15 seconds. Then again, if you press again, it will fly for 15 seconds, then it will stop. So like that, it will come around 50 times if you charge one time. So you can fly 50 times. So let's see how it will give. So assembly is pretty easy. So insert this wing here. So these are the slots. If you observe from like this, so make sure the fuselage is coming in these slots, so that will hold the plane like this. Just align the wing properly. So wing we have placed like this. After that we need to place this horizontal stabilizer. This is also very easy. We don't need to worry that it will break. This is the material which won't break, so that so now it is ready. So these I will try to glue here. So that's it. So it's ready for flying. So first I will try as it is without using any of these cuts, and later I will use these control surfaces and see how it will affect. Okay, so this prop guard I will just place it here like that, so that it will protect the prop. Okay, in this plane, charging port is given here. So using this charger, you can charge this plane. Okay, one time you charge, it will give you 50 times flying experience. Okay, so now it is almost ready. Just I will take it out. And I'll show you the flying video.